Tonight, I'm in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, up at Anakeesta, and behind me is Astra Lumina. Astra Lumina is their evening show that has been extended here another year. I was here last year and it was absolutely breathtaking. It is absolutely top of my list. It is a must stop if you are in this area. So I'm gonna go to the evening showing tonight. Super excited to check it out, and I wanna take you guys with me. Let's go. So outside Astra Lumina right now, we're about to enter. I did buy my ticket. It's $15.99 in addition to your pass up to Anakeesta. All right, so we're walking in and you are greeted by, if you guys could hear that, it is magical sounds. It's so peaceful, so relaxing. I'm so excited to go through this. So as you're walking in, all of these beautiful lanterns are on either side of your path. We're always told to reach for the stars, but what if the stars could reach for us? And this one says, "Welcome stargazers to an extraordinary place where humans and stars are united by a common light." It is so beautiful in here. Your journey along the celestial pathway is just beginning. Encounter the falling stars that have come to land after a long voyage. Keep an eye out for strange objects, traces of early astronomers. Follow the stars as they regenerate, rise, and regain their place in the sky above. I'm so happy that you guys are here joining me tonight on this peaceful walk through Astra Lumina. It is a beautiful evening, nice and not too humid. There's a slight breeze. It's very comfortable. It's a perfect time to come up here. I'm right at the very entrance where all the shows are starting, and I'm not going to talk as much because I want this to be more of an experience as if you were with me, because it truly is an experience in itself. So I hope you enjoy this. I feel absolutely tranquil and so relaxed right now. This music is just everything I need right now. This is so nice. Approaching the stardust rays. It's like a bunch of little fireflies all around me. I feel like I'm surrounded by a million of fireflies in this alter universe that I wish I could be in. This is probably my favorite area. It's like I feel like I'm in a solar system right now. We are approaching the nebular waves. Discover what happens when the stars dream. Stellar visions observe the cosmos to uncover the story of the fallen stars. feel like I just went out of a solar system. I think I'm traveling into time. Celestial Trail, immerse yourself in the flowing force of astral energy. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey. Astral Genesis. Witness the regeneration of the stars. Rise of the stars. Look up to the sky as the stars return to their rightful home. Oh, this is really pretty. And above and ahead, there's a photo booth where you can take your pictures as you exit. It is absolutely beautiful here. What an experience. It's so beautiful, so relaxing. Thank you for coming along with me. Thank you for coming along with me. This is the photo booth that you can stand under and get your picture taken. It's really nice. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have not already, please consider subscribing for more content in the Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge area. And remember, it is not the same without you.